Hello friends, welcome to another video related to reinsurance news in the US. As you know that if you are searching about the US insurance, so I am telling you the method by which you can do a research process. And I am telling you the top US property and casualty insurance companies in this video. So the first is the largest PNC insurer in the United States. The top 100 US property and casualty insurance company directly is based on research data from the rating agency A.M.Best. So I am telling you the complete list of the top US insurance companies in which you are interested. In the ranking wise, the first one is State Farm Group. So the 2019 premium return is as you can see that they have the revenue and percentage from the previous year is minus negative 0.6, and the second is Berkshire Hathaway in 7.9, third is Progressive INS Group 15.2, fourth is Allstate INS Group 5.4, fifth is Liberty Mutual INS Corporation 1.4. So these are the list. You can search about it on the website. I will provide the link in the description section of uh, the channel as well. As you can see, these are the different Auto Club Group, Century INS Group, Amica Mutual Group, Sompo Partners US Group. So these are the different insurance companies in the USA in which you want to. You can search about the data as well. Reinsurance market survey result. So reinsurance market survey from the Reinsurance News and Artemis. Global Reinsurance Market Survey mid-year renewal 2022. I hope you will like this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section as well. I will provide the link of this in the description section. Thanks for watching and goodbye.